guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make Italian chicken stew. Okay, for our Italian chicken stew, we're going to use chicken thighs, tomato sauce, fresh tomato, garlic, fresh basil, Italian seasoning, tomato paste, pepper, paprika powder, onion, and then this mushrooms, celery, and fresh peppers. These are sweet peppers. That is optional if you want to make the sauce more better. All the menu ingredients are at the description box below. Okay, so first for this thing, what do we for the Italian chicken? I'm gonna add my paprika powder to this. Will give it nice flavor to the chicken, and this is the Italian seasoning. This thyme, basil, and oregano in this. Okay, so now just mix it up good, well, and I'm gonna apply this at the bottom also very well. Not too much, but a little bit, and then on the top. Okay, we're going to put about 5 tablespoons of oil and fry the chicken. Okay, so now I put enough oil for us to sear the chicken well on both sides. Turn it over. Oh, nice and brown. The redness of the tomatoes has come. There you are. Cook it the other side for another 3 minutes. Okay, so it's 2 minutes on the other side. So now I'm just gonna take it off. Just take it off, so we're going to cook it later. Go ahead and make the sauce now. Okay, we removed our chicken. Now in the same pan, I'm going to put my onions. Saute my onions. About the garlic, my garlic. Into this I'm going to add some tomato paste. The reason for this tomato paste is to give it nice sweet flavor to it. Okay, this. All that flavoring will go well into our chicken. It's gonna be really awesome. Okay, to this I'm gonna add my chopped tomato, my pepper, and some salt. To this I'm going to add my mushroom and celery. Not the peppers. The peppers will go at the end. With the celery, get the flavor of the celery. Okay, so let's just cook for about a minute. And to this, I'm gonna add my pieces of chicken. And my tomato paste. With some little water. And let it cook for about 15 minutes on slow heat. Okay, so this has been slowly simmering for 15 minutes. Now to this, I'm gonna add my fresh basil. And now, if you don't have fresh basil, you can just put powdered dried basil and my sweet peppers and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Move it around a little bit. Okay, fantastic. So this has been simmering for about 5 minutes now after we put the basil and the peppers, and it is nice and ready. So voila, here's our Italian chicken stew. Okay, so this is our Italian chicken. I'll serve it with all its nice sauce and vegetables. Wow, it looks amazing. The sauce looks amazing with all the peppers. Here you are. So this is our Italian chicken. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!